Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It is your boy Abutech. So in this video we are going to learn how to repair this screen. This is an iPhone XSMAS. So the reason why I'm making this video this morning is for me to show my subscribers, my viewers, those who loves me, how to repair this phone without taking it to the phone engineer, guys. So we have bought the screen, so we want to quickly replace the screen. As you can see in the phone, the screen is broken completely. So in this video we quickly have to repair it. So the first thing you are going to do is for you to remove or unscrew the bottom screw, which is, there are two in number. So we are going to remove it. After which we have removed it, then we will find a razor blade or sharp object to remove the screen. It is not something hard, guys. It is something very simple. So if you have not been following me in my channel, just try to press the like, subscribe, and like for more. You can also share it. So in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to repair it. It is very simple, guys. So what we are going to do, as you can see, the razor blade, we just use it to pop it out from the sideward, from the bottom sideward, or from the left hand side, anyone. So if it seems to be very hard, you can apply a little solvent to it. So this is it, guys. It is very simple. You can follow the video, and if there is anything you want to do, you can tell me in the comment section. So everything is well explanatory, guys. As you can see, it is not that easy to remove because that is a factory screen, but when you use the razor to pull it by the side, it will be very easy for you to remove. So this is it, guys. So the next thing we are going to do is for us to remove those screw that is holding the screen and the battery. And don't forget, if you want to remove the screen, first of all, what you are going to remove is the battery, which is very important. You need to remove the battery first, and any other thing follows. And when you want to couple the phone, you insert all other things and the battery to be the last thing for you to click. So that is it, guys. If you don't have this kind of tools, you can just walk to all those people that sell screen or sell phone part. You can get this type of screw. So it is very easy, guys. So it is nothing like it is not something very simple and very hard for you to do. You just follow this video that you are. So follow the video. It is very simple and easy to repair. So if you have any question, message me in the comment section, so I'm going to answer you. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, try to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, it's your boy Abutech again. So follow the video and enjoy the video. So thanks for watching.
recommend. Happening